Bobber down. Fish on. Oh, it's a little wee perch. Real quick update here. Now we switch back to trolling. It's another beautiful day. Wow. Still looking for that big walleye. We have caught a couple fish this morning. A couple small perch, like a 30-inch pike, but not what we're looking for. So we're gonna keep trying here. So we did hook into another little pike. Definitely not what we're looking for here. Fishing's been a little slow, but we're gonna keep trying. We are back from fishing. It's already, I don't know, 25 degrees out here. It's gonna be a hot day, but there is gonna be a bunch of rain tomorrow. They're calling for like 20 millimeters. So I set up a tarp over my picnic table and a tarp over my tent. So that's all set up. We're cooking some breakfast here quick, and we're gonna head out fishing again. So cooking up some bacon and eggs. So we'll have a good breakfast and get out fishing again. Let's do it. Well, fishing definitely wasn't the best today. Caught a few more pike. I didn't even record them. I didn't bother. We're just back at shore now. We're having a nice fire. It's alright, we got a couple more days here. So hopefully we'll get that 30-inch walleye yet. Morning, number 3. And we did get some rain last night, and you see those clouds in the background are pretty dark. Wind's very gusty. We're still gonna try to make it out fishing this morning. We're late start today, cooking some breakfast, a couple coffees on the go. Yeah, we stayed dry last night. So, again, we're still looking for that big walleye. Plan. It is downpouring on us. Good thing we set these tarps up, or we'd be soaked, man. Wow. Yeah, this is quite the rain. Hopefully this passes over and we can go fishing, but wow, I'm not going out there right now. I'll tell you that. Well guys, we're all packed up. It rained the last 2 days. We took the last half an hour, it wasn't raining, to pack the boat and the truck, and we're headed home. We didn't get that 30-inch walleye, but it's an excuse to come again.